Before I begin, here are some key facts about this program I passed. It was simulation where I was working as a data analyst at Accenture. I worked within a larger team, where each member has a different role and level of responsibility. My team has been assigned a new project for a client called SocialBuzz. I was hoping for a promotion at work, and this was an exciting opportunity for me to showcase my data analysis and visualization skills. Now we know a bit more about the role and project, let's get back to the project with SocialBuzz. Business questions. The client has reached a massive scale within recent years and does not have the resources internally to handle it. Audit of big data practice, recommendations for IPO, analysis of popular content. Entry is analysis of sample data sets with visualizations to understand the popularity of different content categories. I have been sent 3 datasets and a data model in CSV and PDF format, which I started working on reaction, content, and reaction types. First of all, I started explore my datasets to understand them better to answer the business question, which is to figure out the top 5 categories with the largest popularity. Before I began to work with the datasets, I needed to make sure the data was clean and ready for analysis. I removed rows that were missing values, changed the data type and removed columns, which are not relevant to this task, as a user's ID and URL. Then I created the final data set by merging these 3 tables together using VLOOKUP formula. To determine the top 5 performing categories, I added up the total scores for each category and used the SUMIF formula. To make sure and at least to practice more, I decided to perform these steps use SQL and Python. If you want to learn more about my code, follow the link to GitHub. Data visualization. As we can see, the final dataset contains a comprehensive collection of social media data with 24,573 unique values spanning from June 18, 2020 to June 18, 2021. The content analysis reveals that photos are the most prevalent type of content, accounting for 86% positive reactions, while video content is relatively less common, representing 40% positive reactions. In terms of reaction types, the heart reaction is the most commonly used by people, followed by scared and peeking. The temporal analysis shows that the highest count of social buzz occurred in May 2021, while the lowest count was observed in June 2020. Monthly counts ranged between 1,900 and 2,000, indicating a relatively consistent level of social media activity. The category animals has the highest score, indicating a positive sentiment, while public speaking has the lowest score. The top 5 categories with the highest mean scores are animals, science, healthy eating, technology, food. Recommendations. Was recommend that the client focus on using visually appealing content, especially photographs, to attract the target audience. Additionally, they can explore topics related to animals, science, healthy eating, technology, food, which have demonstrated positive sentiments and high grade. By understanding the dynamics of interaction and sentiment on social media, a client can optimize their content strategy and tailor it to suit the preferences of their audience.